get a little murky. Before I show you the bottom, I also do want to let you know everything on the port side for the water line, from this point, you have no paint. It is all this gray color versus being the ablative. So that's everything there. It takes us a lot more to get it clean, scrubbing and scraping. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on.